The Trayvax Summit Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Trayvax Summit Minimalist Wallet. The company sent this out for me to review. It's available in 5 different colors and you can pick this wallet up online for $23. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the wallet. This comes in a forest camo, green, black, gray, and coyote brown, which I have. It came with this card that explains some of the features. This can hold up to 8 cards and up to 5 bills. It has a lanyard hole, money clip, and RFID reduction. The wallet also has this paper insert with the company information. It comes in at less than 4 inches in length and about 2.5 inches wide, and the thickness less than ½ inch. This is made out of a steel plate and it has a melanite finish. On the top left, you have the lanyard hole. And the band is a nylon webbing to hold everything down. You can adjust it from the back depending on how many cards you have. The finish is smooth, and this is made in the USA. The company branding is etched on the side. It also comes with a money clip. You can slide bills from the side. I'll put 4 cards just to demonstrate how it looks and how it holds the cards. The cards slide in really easy. It has a nice, snug feel to it. It's not loose at all. It looks really good. And again, you can insert bills from the side here by just sliding it in. The Trayvax Summit Minimalist Wallet. This is a rugged and solid steel wallet. It has a secure nylon band that holds everything in place. This is perfect for those minimalists out there seeking a unique look for their wallets. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.